In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete site in Webflow under 1 mins. First, open Webflow and head to the project you want to remove. If you're inside the designer, switch back to the dashboard so you can manage the project at the account level. Make sure you're viewing the correct workspace if you have more than one. Then locate the site card you want to remove. On that site card, open the More Options menu and choose Archive. This is the action Webflow uses to remove a site from your dashboard. When you click Archive, confirm by selecting Archive Site. A confirmation window will pop up with important information. Take a moment to read it carefully. This avoids surprises later. Here's what that confirmation is telling you. Archiving immediately removes the site from your dashboard view. The site will be unpublished, so visitors won't be able to reach it. Everyone in the workspace will lose access to the site, which is helpful to prevent edits after removal. The Webflow.io subdomain that was tied to this project will remain reserved for you, so no one else can claim it. And any connected Webflow Cloud or App Generator projects associated with this site will be permanently deleted as part of this action. If any of that gives you pause, this is a good time to back out before you proceed. If you're certain, check the acknowledgement box to confirm you understand those consequences. Webflow then asks you to type the site's exact name to verify. This safeguard prevents accidental removals. Click into the input field and carefully type the project's name exactly as it appears. If you mistype it, the confirmation button will remain disabled, so double-check spelling, hyphens, and capitalization. At this point, if you were ready to remove the site from your dashboard, you would confirm the action and the site would be archived immediately. In this walkthrough, though, we're keeping the example project, so instead of confirming, click Cancel to close the dialog without making any changes. That's the full flow. Open your project's dashboard, select Archive from the More Options menu, review the warnings, acknowledge the terms, type the site name to confirm, and then either complete the archive or cancel if you're not ready. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Always make sure you're acting on the correct project, read each warning line by line, and only confirm when you're completely sure you no longer need the site accessible in your workspace.